Today I want to show you guys a chord strumming pattern exercise. Essentially, you can pick any chord you want, whatever's comfortable. This is more about strumming, going up and down, finding different patterns, and making it sound good so you can create your own songs or keep up with someone else's songs. I wrote some stuff down here. This is basically what I show all of my students. The down strum, I write it out like this. You can think of it as a 1, 2, 3, 4. The upward strum is like an and or an almost like an eighth note. I'm picking here an A minor and a C because they are really easy to go back and forth from. You can pick whatever chords you want, or you can stay with just one chord. If you switch between, the cool thing about this exercise, if you switch between different patterns and also different chords, you can essentially make your own song. So this first one, number one, pretty easy. Down, 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 up, down. Let me show you that. We'll do A minor and C. Down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 times each. Now again, if you want to throw in another chord, you can make a song just like that. I'll progressively make it a little harder as we go down. Here we got down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so we're gonna go down, up, down, up, down, down. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now if you combine it with the last one and another chord, totally different song, you know? Okay, the next one. Let's see. Down, down, up, down, down. All right, so that's number 3. Down, down, up, down, down. So you're going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now I'm just throwing chords at you. Speed it up. So that's just a couple examples. Let me show you some more that I like to do. I'll just toss them out to my students usually and see if they pick up on it. A couple extra intricate ones. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So when you see somebody playing guitar and it looks like they're just playing down, up, down, up, down, up the whole time, a lot of times they're throwing in a ghost strum. And what a ghost strum is basically you're down, down, up. I'm going down. I'm letting my arm reach the bottom of the strings without strumming. So down, down, up, down, up. So if you can see, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, how about another one? We'll do down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Endless possibilities. You could throw 100 different chords in there. Basically writing your own songs, making your own strumming patterns. I would say a lot of it, 90% of the guitar work right there, in making a rhythm section, strumming patterns, different types of rhythm, and just how you're doing the strumming down or up, and switching the chords. You know, you could do a lot with just switching a couple chords and switching up your strumming pattern. Have fun.